Hi guys, Kim here from Kim on a Whim. I'm going to go through a Grove collaborative collection that I just unboxed the other day. This is my first order. This isn't sponsored or anything by them. It's just me trying to find alternate cleaning products. My favorite cleaning product is bleach. However, a lot of my family, they don't really like the smell of the bleach, so I'm trying to find something different that might be a little more pleasing to them and still has the same germ killing effects to it. So let's see what I got. Alright guys, so the first thing that I got here, kind of wondering why I picked one of these scents, was the geranium dish soap, which I'd have to say smells pretty good. I do like that, considering that I use dish soap often to wash my hands since it's right there. However, I'm not sure why I picked this scent, and this one is the lilac. It's not one that I've really seen anybody on any of the other YouTube channels try, but I'll let you know how this one smells. I'm not quite sure about it when I smell it from the bottle. And then I did grab the peony hand soap, which I hear a lot of people say that the scent is really, really good. Well, I can see why they say it's a really good scent. I typically buy the lavender hand soap from Mrs. Meyer's, and I do really like that one. And I know even sometimes I'm like, "Ooh, what's that?" And I wind up smelling my hands, and it's the lavender hand soap. Now I have tried this, not the spray, but I've tried the dish soap in the mint scent. And I know when I originally saw people using the mint scent, I didn't think I would like it as much as I do. The peony is really good. That it doesn't, just smells clean. It smells like a really clean scent. So I'm kind of excited to be able to use this on my surfaces. So that'll be fun. And now this is stuff so that I can try and get over my bleach obsession. I did pick up an anti-bac of the Method bathroom cleaner, and that's in the spearmint scent. So I'm really hoping to like this. I'd have to say the way that they packaged everything was really nice. Everything was sealed. Everything was, wrapped real well so that nothing would break, and everything. Yeah, so I'm kind of excited. We'll see how that. It's pretty sad that I'm excited about trying new bath product or bath cleaning products, right? Now I've never tried a foaming bath cleanser or bath cleaner. Like I said, I always use bleach. That one smells, it smells like a bath cleaner. Not gonna lie. But we'll see how this one works out too. Alright, that's foaming, so we'll see. Now I did talk about this one in my video before. I did a whole house clean, and I was saying how the grates on my stove are so disgusting. Like, there's no other word to describe them, just disgusting. So I did get this Method heavy duty degreaser. So I'm really hoping that'll work out. I can't wait to try this again. I can't wait to try this on my grates for my stove and whatever else I think in my kitchen, which is probably all of it, needs to be degreased. And then a few of the fun, we see everybody get the walnut sponges that they have there. I did have to bust into mine. I like to change out my sponges once a week so that they don't get nasty. So I was not having any sponges, so I needed to bust into that. And then they also, I think this may have been like a free little gift with purchase, or like a bonus item that they had sent, and it's the Method laundry detergent in a ginger mango. So I'll be interested to see what, I'm interested to see what it smells like when I get this open, huh? That smells good. I typically get all of my laundry detergent. I buy mine when I'm seeing it on sale, and I follow a lot of the couponers on YouTube so that I can find really cheap dish soap, and so that's why this is kind of a little treat for me that I bought some Grow Collaborative stuff. God, that's so sad. It's a treat. I did get the Bubble Up. We'll see how this works too. I do a lot of scrubbing of pots and pans because I don't have a dishwasher, so everything that I do in my kitchen as far as my dishes are all done by hand. So we'll see how that one works. And then they did send this floor cleaner. It's a concentrate lavender thyme concentrated floor cleaner. And it's saying here that you put this into a 16-ounce Grove silicone sleeve spray bottle, which I'm thinking is this. So I did, they did send this. Oh, well, I guess it kind of does go hand in hand, same colors, right? So this will be neat to use as a floor cleaner. We'll see how that works for me too. And then I'm gonna go into my staple products that are my absolute favorites, that I love. I don't know that you guys are aware of this. I think I may have mentioned it 4 or 5 times just now. Clorox. I love my Clorox. This is one that I just happened to grab. This is the Fresh Scent one. I'm not particularly fond of this one. I typically buy the cleanup that is the green bottle. I'm not really sure what the scent is. That's probably the one that I do use most often. We'll say this about Clorox though. I'm loving how they did the spout, or the, what would you call that? I'm having a total brain fart. Well, anyway, so that you can get all of the product, so that you're not trying to fight with the bottom of the product, trying to spray it out. So I do like how they did that. Absolute favorite. And then these are items that I just get at the dollar store. I always buy my sponges at dollar store, my wool scrubbies at dollar store, my any kind of brushes that I use to clean up, I buy those all at the dollar store. But I did just find these at the dollar store. So I'm kind of interested to see how these work out. I have not used these yet. I have their, which you've seen in my previous videos, my little cloth, my little mitt that I use here. I find this in the automotive section at the Dollar Tree, and well, this one's starting to take a beating after washing and everything. I've had this for probably about 3 or 4 months now, and this is my go-to product just because it's so easy to use. So we're going to see how these work out. And then always little microfiber cloths. I'm having a hard time with my windows and Windex, so I typically just use plain water and a microfiber cloth. I've heard some good things about the Method glass cleaner, which I am going to try that one next and see how that works out. And then here is another little thing that I pick up at the dollar store. I pick up these little woolly pipe cleaners, and I use these for our straws, and most of our water that we drink is from reusable water bottles, and they just tend to get grimy. I don't know how they would. It's water, but, and you know, soap water and clean it all, but there's certain areas that the sponges just can't reach inside the grooves where the cap turns. So I find they're a little thin on their own. I typically bend them in half and I'll twist them, and then that way I can kind of get in the grooves of the water bottles to clean them up. And then as you go, you know, that part gets nasty, you can then go to your next section and do a little twist again, and be able to get all of your water bottles clean. So hope you found that as a helpful little tip. I know a lot of people use the reusable water bottles nowadays, so if you look inside some of them, they can get a little nasty, a little gross, not gonna lie. And I know my daughter is a bit of a freak with that kind of stuff. I shouldn't say freak, that sounded very nice, is it? She's a germophobic. Does that sound better? Maybe. But I hope I hope you guys like this video. I hope that you maybe find something interesting here that I use that maybe you want to use in your cleaning routine. And if you have any questions, I think I went over everything, but if you have any questions, just, do a comment, give a thumbs up, be sure to subscribe, because as my videos continue, I will be cleaning and you will see me put all of these products to use for my cleaning videos. So thanks for stopping by. Talk to you soon. Bye. Coco. Shh. Alright, guys. Hi. Oh, that was weird.